Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive, your go-to channel for expanding your English vocabulary and understanding complex words. In today's episode, we dive deep into the meaning of illicit, its definition, and explore various synonyms to help you enhance your language skills. Let's get started. What does illicit mean? Illicit is an adjective used to describe something that is forbidden by law, rules, or customs. It often implies actions or items that are illegal or unauthorized. The word carries a negative connotation, suggesting activities that are not only prohibited but also considered morally wrong or unethical. Detailed definition of illicit. In the English language, illicit is derived from the Latin word illicitius, which means not allowed. The term is commonly used to refer to activities such as illicit trade, illicit drugs, or illicit relationships. Here's a comprehensive definition. Illicit adjective forbidden by law, rules, or custom. Example: the police crack down on the illicit sale of counterfeit goods. Synonyms for illicit. To enhance your vocabulary, here are some powerful synonyms for illicit. Illegal, contrary to or forbidden by law. Unlawful, not conforming to, permitted by, or recognized by law or rules. Prohibited, that which is forbidden by authority. Banned, officially or legally prohibited. Unauthorized, not having official permission or approval. Unlicensed, not having a license or official permission. Outlawed, made illegal or declared illegal by official order. Each of these synonyms can be used in different contexts to replace illicit and provide variety in your language usage. Examples of illicit in sentences. Understanding the usage of illicit in sentences can help solidify its meaning. The government is taking strict measures to combat illicit drug trafficking. He was arrested for his involvement in illicit activities. Their relationship was considered illicit by societal standards. Commonly confused words. It's important to distinguish illicit from similar-sounding words. Elicit, to evoke or draw out a response. Example: the teacher's question elicited a range of responses from the students. Illegitimate, not authorized by the law, not in accordance with accepted standards or rules. Example: the company faced accusations of illegitimate business practices.